Good day everyone. I would like to welcome you to today's presentation, where we will be discussing two common yet often underestimated health concerns: insect bites or stings and splinters. First, we have insect bite or sting. It is a painful wound caused by the thrust of an insect stingers into skin. An insect bite or sting ay nangyayari kapag ang isang like a bee or a mosquito uses its stinger na madalas na nating nakikita sa mga dulo ng bunganga nila to pierce our skin. This can cause a painful wound, may result in itching, redness, and swelling. For us to totally understand kung ano yung madalas sa symptoms kapag natutusok or nakakagat tayo ng insect, here's Angel Mia to discuss. First,
The common symptoms of insects, bites, and stings. First is the redness and swelling. Bites and stings often cause redness and swelling at the site of the bite. This is a result of the body's immune response to the insect's saliva or venom. Second is the itching or irritation. Bites and stings can be itchy and may cause irritation. Scratching the affected area can further irritate the skin and increase the risk of infection. Third is the pain or discomfort. Some insect bites and stings can be painful, especially if the insect inject venom. The level of pain can vary depending on the type of insect. Fourth is blistering. In some cases, insect bites and sting can lead to the formation of blisters. This is more common with certain types of insects, such as spiders or fire ants. 5. Allergic reaction. Some individuals may experience an allergic reaction to insect bites or stings. This can cause symptoms such as hives, difficulty of breathing, swelling of the face or throat, dizziness or a rapid heartbeat. Severe allergic reaction, known as anaphylaxis, require immediate medical attention. Last one is the raised bump or rash. Insect bites and stings can cause a raised bump or rash at the site of the bite. This can be small and localized or spread over a larger area.
Mosquito bites. Mosquito bites are usually and appear as a small, raised bump on the skin. It can be red, may cause mild swelling. Bee and wife sting. Bee and wife sting can cause immediate pain, redness, and swelling at the site of the sting. Some people may also experience an allergic reaction, which can cause more severe symptoms. Tick bites. Tick bite can vary in appearance depending on the type of snake. Flea bites. Flea bites are also really small red bumps that very often appear in cluster or lines on the skin. Spider bites. Spider bites can cause a range of symptoms depending on the type of spider.
1. Remove the stinger. Kapag alam nating merong naiwan na stinger sa skin natin, such as with bee stings, based on my research, gently scrape it off gamit ang credit card or your fingernail. Avoid using tweezers as it can squeeze more venom into the skin. 2. Clean the area as simple as gumamit tayo ng mild soap and clean water for cleaning the area ng nabite or na-sting sa atin to remove any dirt or bacteria. This help prevent infection. 3. Apply a cold compress. It's understandable naman na we should place a cold compress or ice pack wrap in cloth on the bite or sting. Nakakatulong ito to reduce swelling, pain, and itching. Apply it for about 10 minutes at a time. 4. Take pain relievers. If needed and sobrang pain na yung nararamdaman natin, huwag na tayong magdalawang isip na mag-take ng pain reliever, and we should seek guidance sa nakakatanda para maiwasan na iba yung mainom na gamot. 5. Keep the area clean and dry. After cleaning the area, keep it clean and dry. Avoid scratching the bite or sting, kasi pwedeng mag-cause siya ng irritation or infection. If necessary, cover the area with a clean bandage. We have the splinter. So, splinter are objects that become embedded under the skin. A splinter, ito yung small sharp object that gets stuck under our skin. Nangyayari ito kapag humahawak or we handle things like wood, glass, or metal that have a small pointy pieces that break off. For example, naglalaro ka ng wooden toy and accidentally get a small piece of wood stuck in your finger. Yun yung tinatawag natin na splinter, yung maliit na wood, glass, or metal na nai-stuck sa skin natin. It can be painful and cause discomfort.
The symptoms of a splinter can vary depending on the individual and the location of the splinter. Some common symptoms include visible foreign object. You may be able to see a small foreign object embedded in the skin, such as a piece of wood, glass, metal, or plastic. Pain and tenderness. The affected area may be painful and tender to the touch. This can be especially true if the splinter is deep or located in a sensitive area. Feeling of a foreign body. You may feel a sensation of having something stuck in your skin. This can be described as a constant irritation or discomfort. Redness and swelling. If the splinter causes an infection, the area around it may become red, swollen, and warm to the touch. In some cases, there may also be pus present. Limited mobility. Depending on the location of the splinter, you may experience limited mobility or difficulty using the affected body part. For the example, if the splinter is in your foot, you may have trouble walking. It's important to note that not all splinters cause symptoms. In some cases, you may not even be aware of a splinter until you see the visible foreign object or experience signs of infection. If you suspect you have a splinter, it's best to take appropriate steps for removal and seek medical attention if necessary.
First aid for removing splinter. Number 1. Wash your hands with soap and water. Number 2. Clean the area around the splinter with soap and water. Number 3. Use tweezer to grip the splinter as close to the skin as possible. Number 4. Pull the splinter out in the same direction that it entered. Number 5. If the splinter is deeply embedded, if it is difficult to remove, seek medical attention.
Preventing insect bites and sting. This refers to a measure taken to avoid getting bitten or stung by insects like mosquitoes, bees, wasps, or ants. These bites and sting can be itchy, painful, and even cause allergic reaction in some people. Preventing splinters. This focuses on avoiding getting small pieces of wood or other sharp objects lodged in your skin. Splinters can be uncomfortable and sometimes become infected. So the overall meaning is about staying safe from too common outdoor and sometimes indoor.
In conclusion, we have to explore two common health concerns: splinters and insect bites or sting. Splinters ay yung mga small objects na can get embedded under the skin, like woods, glass, etc., often causing pain and discomfort. On the other hand, insect bites or stings occur when An insect's stingers penetrates the skin, resulting in a painful wound. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something to our report. Thank you.